Listen up, food lovers. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, there's something magical about creating and sharing a meal. It's not just about the food itself, but the joy and connection it brings. Eating shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a celebration, a time to come together and enjoy the flavors and textures that make each dish unique. It's time to ditch the diet fads and embrace a way of eating that's both delicious and good for you. Imagine a world where every bite you take is a step towards better health and happiness. Think of your plate as a blank canvas, ready to be filled with a rainbow of healthy and tasty ingredients. Each color represents different nutrients that your body craves. Every meal is a chance to experiment, explore new flavors, and nourish your body from the inside out. The key? Balance. It's about mixing and matching ingredients to create a symphony of taste and nutrition. Just like life, eating is all about finding that sweet spot, that perfect harmony between enjoyment and nourishment. It's about savoring each bite and appreciating the effort that goes into making a meal. That's where the art of the balanced plate comes in. It's a simple yet powerful concept that can transform the way you eat and feel. It's not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that fuel your body and make you feel fantastic. So next time you sit down to eat, remember, food is fun and it's meant to be enjoyed. So what exactly does a balanced plate look like? Imagine this. You divide your plate into 4 equal sections. Half of that plate, 2 sections, are bursting with vibrant fruits and vegetables. The other half is split between lean protein and whole grains. Easy peasy, right? This simple formula is your roadmap to nutritional success. It ensures you're getting the essential nutrients your body craves, from vitamins and minerals to fiber and protein. Remember, it's not about being perfect at every meal, but rather aiming for this balance overall throughout the day. Let's talk about the stars of the show. Fruits and veggies. These vibrant and delicious foods are not just a treat for your taste buds, but they are also packed with nutrients that are essential for your overall well-being. From the crunch of a fresh carrot to the sweetness of a ripe mango, fruits and vegetables offer a wide range of flavors and textures that can make any meal exciting. Aim to fill half your plate with these nutritional powerhouses. This simple habit can make a huge difference in your health. Not only do they provide essential vitamins and minerals, but they also help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and help maintain a healthy weight. Why so much? Because they're packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber, all essential for optimal health. These nutrients work together to support your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, crunchy carrots and celery, juicy berries, and don't forget about the variety of textures and flavors they bring to your meals. Leafy greens are particularly rich in iron and calcium, which are crucial for bone health and energy levels, and tropical fruits like mango and pineapple. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Get creative and experiment with different colors. The more vibrant your plate, the wider the variety of nutrients you're getting. Each color represents different phytonutrients that have unique health benefits. For example, red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and strawberries are rich in lycopene, which is good for heart health. Aim for at least 2.5 cups of fruits and veggies combined daily. This might seem like a lot, but when you spread it out over the day, it's quite manageable. You can start your day with a fruit smoothie, have a salad for lunch, and include a side of steamed vegetables with your dinner. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, your body will thank you. Not only will you feel more energized and focused, but you'll also be taking important steps towards a healthier, happier life. So go ahead, load up on those fruits and veggies and enjoy the delicious journey to better health. Next up, protein. This mighty nutrient is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting a healthy immune system, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. Protein is an essential part of our diet, and it's important to include a variety of sources to ensure you're getting all the necessary amino acids your body needs. Aim to fill 1/4 of your plate with lean protein sources. Think chicken breast, fish like salmon or tuna, tofu, beans, lentils or eggs. These protein powerhouses provide the building blocks your body needs to thrive. Including a variety of these sources in your diet can help you maintain muscle mass, support metabolic functions, and even aid in weight management. Shoot for at least 5.5 ounces of lean protein throughout your day. That could look like a grilled chicken breast at dinner, a handful of almonds for a snack, or a lentil soup for lunch. By spreading your protein intake throughout the day, you can help keep your energy levels stable and avoid the mid-afternoon slump. Incorporating lean protein into your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Simple dishes like grilled chicken breast with quinoa and asparagus can be both delicious and nutritious. You can also experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to keep your meals interesting and flavorful. Fish like salmon or tuna are excellent sources of lean protein and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Try grilling or baking fish with your favorite herbs and spices for a tasty and healthy meal. Tofu, beans, lentils and eggs are versatile protein sources that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Whether you're making a tofu stir-fry, a bean salad or a lentil soup, these ingredients can add both flavor and nutrition to your meals. Remember, the key to a balanced diet is variety. By including different types of lean protein in your meals, you can ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Pay attention to portion sizes to make sure you're getting enough protein without overdoing it. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a portion size that fits in the palm of your hand. For example, a grilled chicken breast at dinner can be paired with a variety of vegetables to create a balanced and satisfying meal. A handful of almonds for a snack can provide a quick and convenient source of protein and healthy fats. Or a lentil soup for lunch can be a hearty and nutritious option that keeps you full and energized throughout the day. By making lean protein a regular part of your diet, you can support your body's needs and enjoy a variety of delicious and healthy meals. Last but not least, let's talk about grains. When choosing grains, always go for whole grains whenever possible. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats and whole wheat bread are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, B vitamins and minerals. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their nutrients, whole grains provide sustained energy, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Aim for at least 6 servings of whole grains daily. That could be a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, a quinoa salad for lunch, or a side of brown rice with dinner. Section 6. Hydration, your body's best friend. Now let's talk about a crucial element of a healthy diet that often gets overlooked: hydration. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature and transporting nutrients to flushing out toxins and keeping your skin glowing. Aim to drink about 8 cups of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it consistently. You can also add flavor with slices of lemon, cucumber or mint. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your health. Section 7. Small changes, big results. The beauty of the balanced plate approach is that it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable swaps that add up over time. Instead of reaching for that sugary cereal for breakfast, try a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit. Swap out white bread for whole wheat, sugary drinks for water, and processed snacks for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. These small changes might seem insignificant at first, but trust me, they'll make a world of difference in the long run. Section 8. Listen to your body. Remember, while these guidelines provide a helpful framework, everyone's nutritional needs are different. Listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Some days you might need a bit more protein, while other days you might crave more fruits and veggies. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Eating should be an enjoyable and personalized experience. Trust your intuition and make choices that nourish both your body and soul. Section 9. Bon appetit. There you have it, folks. The art of building a balanced plate is simpler than you might think. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains into your meals and staying hydrated, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and happier you. Remember, eating well shouldn't feel like a chore. It's about making mindful choices that fuel your body and bring you joy. So go ahead, embrace the delicious world of balanced eating and savor every bite.